One of the most important steps in fucoemulsification is capsulorhexis. Continuous curvilinear capsulorhexis can be done with capsulorhexis forceps, utrata, as well as cystotome, which is a bent tip of 1 cc syringe. Now, most controlled one is with utrata. So today I am showing you how to perform capsulorhexis with utrata efficiently. Make a main port with 2.75 knives, stain anterior capsule with blue, put viscoelastic and then enter the anterior chamber and with the help of its teeth tear the anterior capsule in the center. Now it will create a flap. Now take one edge of the flap into the forceps prongs and hold it firmly and move it circularly along the within the iris margins. Make sure anterior chamber is well formed while doing it. If anterior chamber gets shallower, come out, put more gel, form anterior chamber and enter and start it from where you left and complete it. Capsulorhexis edges are more smooth and is well controlled with utrata than with cystotome. I hope after watching this video it will be easier for you to practice it. Thank you.